Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download Hulu videos on your computer for offline viewing. While Hulu doesn't officially support direct downloads to your computer, there are a few methods to save Hulu content. Let's get started. Option 1. Hulu app for Windows, ad-free plans only. Download Hulu app. If you're using a Windows PC, you can download the Hulu app from the Microsoft Store. Log in. Open the app and log in to your Hulu, no ads, account. The download feature is available only with the ad-free plan. Search for content. Find the movie or show you want to download, e.g., The Handmaid's Tale. Download. Look for the download icon, downward arrow, next to available episodes or movies and click it to start the download. Watch offline. Once the download is complete, go to the download section in the app and watch the video offline. Note: you must have a Hulu, no ads, plan to use the download feature on the app. Option 2. Screen recording, not recommended. Since Hulu does not officially support downloading to a computer, you can record the screen while the content plays. Install screen recording software. Download software like OBS Studio or Camtasia. Record the video. Open Hulu on your browser. Start playing the video you want to download and begin recording the screen. Save the recording. Once the video is finished, stop the recording and save the file to your computer. Move to storage. You can transfer the saved video to an external drive or keep it on your computer. Note: screen recording can violate Hulu's terms of service and lead to lower video quality. Option 3. Use third-party downloaders, not recommended. There are third-party tools that claim to help you download Hulu videos directly to your computer. These tools bypass Hulu's official system, but can violate Hulu's terms of service and may expose your device to security risks. Warning: these methods are not recommended because they can lead to legal issues and malware. Conclusion: the safest way to download Hulu videos on your computer is using the Hulu app for Windows, available only with the Hulu, no ads, plan. Screen recording and third-party downloaders exist, but come with risks and legal concerns. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.